Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here just representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis many times in the past, so that is where this green line here is coming from. And that also segues perfectly into the first update that needs to be done. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into not necessarily just Tuesday, but really the remainder of the week, if there are any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside, 67 cents now is going to be that near-term level of resistance. If the price can push through there, then the next level you'd want to immediately turn your attention to from a resistance standpoint is that purple line, the 50-period moving average. But as of right now, one hurdle at a time, and again, that first hurdle being that red line there at 67 cents. On the flip side of things, where levels of support are, at this point, it's all about a very common, very famous level in the world of charts, and that is the 200-period moving average, which I use pink to denote here. But overall, that's going to be the key level to watch going forward is that area. And this is not like some sort of great discovery or great statement on my part. I assure you, anybody that has a basic understanding of charts has heard of the 200-period moving average, and they know that when the price is up above it, then you definitely want to see the price stay up above it. So that is going to be a level there that a lot of people have their eyeballs on and are watching going forward, wondering if the price will stay above it or not. If the price does not stay above it, the next key level of support to keep an eye on would be down there at the 50-cent mark. So overall, not the greatest way to start off the week, but the week is young, so this thing could get itself turned back around. And again, quote unquote, turning itself back around. The first step in that process is going to be getting back up above 67 cents. So we'll see what happens with it. 4 days left on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.